Okay guys, we are about to go on an adventure. The snow is starting to melt. My car just said the roads may be a little icy, and I want you guys to have a real-time view of what it really is going on out here. We have to make an emergency run, which is why I'm leaving, or else we would still be in the house. But since we're out of the house right now, you guys get to see what's going on.
I just wanna be the one to hold you. I just wanna pay you what I owe you. And that's my attention. I know your love is priceless, but I wanna spend my life with you like it was timeless. Can buy you diamonds, but it won't be enough. And if I gave you pearls, it still wouldn't add up to what I think you're worth, baby. If nobody else does, I feel like you're worth all of me.
I still thank God that we have electricity and that we can cook and use our heater. We did get a weird noise this morning when we woke up. This like alarm sounding thing in our house. It wasn't carbon monoxide and it wasn't the smoke detector, but it had that type of sound, and we were scared. We thought it was the carbon monoxide. We opened the doors, we turned off the heater, because we have been running the heater non-stop for, what has it been, babe? 3 days now? About 3 days. Non-stop, we have been running the heater. And, oh, here's a car coming.
This was very mild.
Yep.
This is after the
So that there are people driving on the road, guys. There are people driving, but we are driving extremely slow, about 10 miles per hour, because the roads are a little bit obviously snowy and icy. We don't have snow plows in Texas, so it's still looking crazy. But we feel blessed and highly favored, literally. Okay, so this is how it looks outside of our condominiums, and I will catch you guys later. Okay guys, so we are on our way back home from running our little errand.
You need more speed.
And I can tell that this road is a little bit less traveled. Oh my gosh. But with me being a Cali girl and everything, I actually was really excited that it snowed, because I never really got to like live in it, you know, just like live in it. And it's actually going to be melting. It's already melting, so it's going to be I wouldn't be surprised if half of the snow was gone tomorrow, because it's already half gone from what it was before, like yesterday. So, you know, we almost made it through. Thank you, Jesus. We're almost out of this situationship. So, let's see. But yeah, cars are still driving. You know, everybody's still living their lives. People still are going to work. Yes, it is a tragedy out here, but you know, a lot of people are doing okay. So I know that social media always posts like the negative and, you know, the terrible things that are happening, you know, during this catastrophe. However, you know, some people are, you know, surviving. Some people are doing well, still doing what they have to do. So that's where we are. We're doing well. We still doing what we have to do. We're waiting at a red light. Okay, guys. Talk to you soon.